Minimalism is more than just an aesthetic. It's a philosophy of living that finds beauty in simplicity. In modern home design, minimalism embraces a clean, uncluttered approach while crafting spaces that radiate a sense of tranquility. Yet, minimalism doesn't mean a lack of luxury. In fact, the careful balance of simplicity and elegance can create a timeless sense of luxury that feels effortlessly refined. In this narrative, we'll explore how modern minimalist homes achieve this delicate balance, offering spaces that are not only functional but also deeply inspiring. One of the key principles of minimalist design is the power of negative space, the breathing room, that allows a home to feel open, light, and liberating. Modern minimalist homes often feature open-plan layouts that avoid the confinement of unnecessary walls. Large, expansive windows invite natural light to flood the interiors, enhancing the sense of space while maintaining a harmonious connection with the outdoors. This deliberate restraint in design emphasizes the quality of each material, the precision of every line, and the intentionality of every piece within the home. Natural light plays a crucial role in modern minimalist design, transforming a simple space into a luxurious haven. Strategically placed windows, skylights, and glass doors allow sunlight to become an architectural element, creating dynamic patterns of light and shadow throughout the day. This interplay of light not only enhances the ambience, but also highlights the textures and tones of carefully selected materials. In a minimalist home, light is more than a necessity. It's a feature that celebrates the beauty of simplicity. Luxury in minimalism is often conveyed through the thoughtful selection of materials. Instead of lavish ornamentation, modern minimalist homes opt for premium quality materials that speak for themselves: smooth concrete, rich natural wood, sleek metal accents, and refined marble surfaces. These materials are not only durable, but also exude a timeless charm that transcends fleeting design trends. By allowing materials to shine without excessive decoration, minimalist homes create a sense of luxury that feels authentic and enduring. A minimalist home typically embraces a restrained color palette, focusing on soft neutrals like white, beige, gray, and muted earth tones. This subdued palette is not meant to be bland but to create a serene, cohesive atmosphere that soothes the mind. Bold accents may be introduced sparingly to add contrast and personality, ensuring that every color choice feels intentional. By minimizing visual noise, these homes cultivate a peaceful, luxurious environment that invites relaxation. In a modern minimalist home, furniture and decor are chosen with intention, not to fill a space, but to complement it. Streamlined, functional furniture with clean lines enhances the sense of spaciousness while prioritizing comfort. Decor is kept minimal yet impactful, a statement artwork, a sculptural vase, or a thoughtfully placed indoor plant. Every piece has a purpose, and every detail is considered, ensuring that simplicity and sophistication coexist harmoniously. A minimalist home thrives on the philosophy of less is more. Decluttering is not just about removing excess items, it's about curating a space that feels intentional and free from distractions. Storage solutions are often built-in, seamlessly integrated into the architecture to maintain clean lines. By keeping only what is essential and meaningful, these homes create a calming environment that feels both luxurious and purposeful. The absence of clutter allows each element to stand out, making simplicity the most elegant statement. Modern minimalist homes often integrate technology in subtle, unobtrusive ways. From smart home systems that control lighting and climate with a touch to invisible sound systems that enhance ambience without visual disruption, technology is used to amplify convenience without compromising aesthetics. The goal is to simplify life, reduce complexity, and enhance comfort. By thoughtfully incorporating technology, these homes remain cutting edge while staying true to the principles of minimalism. Modern minimalist homes often strive to create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Sliding glass doors, floor-to-ceiling windows, and courtyard designs allow natural elements to become part of the living experience. This approach not only visually expands the space, but also invites a sense of calmness and mindfulness. The blending of indoor and outdoor areas reflects a deeper connection to nature, enhancing the home's serene and luxurious atmosphere. Negative space is a defining feature of minimalist design, providing a canvas that allows the mind to breathe and reflect. These open, unoccupied spaces are not seen as emptiness, but as an intentional part of the design. Negative space emphasizes the beauty of each object and architectural element, giving the home a gallery-like feel. This balance of presence and absence creates a timeless, meditative luxury that resonates deeply with those who experience it. Sustainability plays a significant role in the ethos of modern minimalist design. Instead of disposable decor and fast furniture, there is a preference for timeless, durable pieces that are responsibly sourced. Minimalist homes often prioritize energy efficiency, natural ventilation, and the use of eco-friendly materials. This approach not only aligns with the philosophy of simplicity, but also contributes to a more conscious, sustainable way of living that feels genuinely luxurious. Living in a modern minimalist home extends beyond aesthetics. It's a way of life that fosters mindfulness, clarity, and a deeper sense of contentment. The absence of excess and the presence of intentional design allow for a calmer, more focused mindset. Each item in the home serves a purpose, creating a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. The result is a living space that not only looks luxurious, but also feels deeply personal and enriching. Modern minimalist homes embody a quiet elegance that transcends trends and time. By embracing simplicity, intentionality, and high-quality materials, these homes achieve a level of luxury that feels enduring and authentic. As design continues to evolve, the appeal of minimalist luxury remains a testament to the power of thoughtful living, where simplicity truly creates timeless elegance. Whether you're drawn to the aesthetic or the philosophy, minimalist living offers a path to a more meaningful, refined way of experiencing home.